Welcome students. Today we are going to start with our next chapter, that is chapter number 5th. Its lesson name is Operations on Rational Numbers. Now children, what are rational numbers? Before starting with this chapter 5th practice set 22, let me introduce you what are rational numbers. Children, we know about natural numbers. Natural numbers, they start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash 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 infinite. Then we have seen about whole numbers. Whole numbers, if we include 0 in the natural numbers, then that numbers are called as whole numbers. Then we have seen integers. On a number line, in between center it is 0. This side all numbers are positive. On right all numbers are positive. And to the left the numbers are negative. -1, -2, -3, -4. So these are all integers. Now what are rational numbers? Rational numbers means that number which is in the form of p by q. Means in the simple sense I am telling you they are in the numerator and denominator form. Suppose it is 3 upon 4. Number is 3 upon 4. It is in p by q form. Numerator and denominator. Numerator it is 3 and denominator it is 4. Any number which is in this form, that are rational number, but condition is that q should not be equal to 0. Means denominator should not be equal to 0. Like this it should not be there. Okay, the denominator should not be 0. Any number which is in the form of p by q but denominator should not be 0, that numbers are called as rational number. It can be negative also. -3 upon 4, -2 upon 4. Any number which is in the form of numerator or denominator form, that numbers are called as a rational number. So let us do this lesson number 5. It is based on the operation of rational numbers. Operations means we have studied there are 4 operations: plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we'll do this operations on rational numbers: addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, division of rational numbers. So let us start with practice set 22 of chapter 5. First one is carry out the following addition of rational numbers. Here addition. These are two rational numbers. They are in the form of p by q form and the sign is plus in between them. So let us do it. Children, first let us check the denominator. Denominators are not same. If denominators are same, we are adding these upper numbers and we write the denominator only once. But here the denominators are not same. So if the denominators are not same, there is one method. We do the cross multiplication. You have studied this. So let us do the cross multiplication. But here the numbers are bigger. Here 5 upon 36 I can't reduce, but to make the number smaller, I can reduce this. 6 upon 42 I can reduce because in 6 tables 42 comes. So 6 ones are 6, 6 sevens are 42. So this fraction will be little bit reduced. So this is, see, from 6 upon 42 the number has reduced because 6 tables 42 was coming. Now again check the denominators. Denominators are not same. So I have to make the denominator same by doing cross multiplication. So let's do the cross multiply. 5 into 7 upon down will be 36 into 7 plus 1 into 36 upon again down 7 into 36. So 5 sevens is 35 plus 36 ones is 36. 36 sevens if you multiply, 7 6 are 42, 7 3 are 21 and 4 225. So it is 252. Upon 7 into 36 will be same only. So 252. Now check the denominators have become same. So I'll write the denominator only one time. I will add the upper numbers. 35 plus 36. It is 6 and 5 11 1 6 6 7 71 upon 252. These numbers will not reduce. If it gets reduced in the same table, you have to reduce it. Otherwise, you will have to keep the fraction is same. So our final answer is 71 upon 252. Let us do the second sum. Second sum is 1 2 upon 3 plus 2 4 upon 5. This number is in a mixed form. So first we have to convert this into simple fraction like this. So how to do this? 3 multiplied by 1 plus this 2 upon denominator 3 plus 5 multiplied by 2 plus this 4 upon this 5. So 3 1s is 3, 3 plus 2 upon 3 plus 5 2s is 10, 10 plus 4 upon 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 3 plus 10 plus 4 is 14 upon 5. Now see that they have come in P by Q form. This mixed fraction we have converted into simple fraction P by Q form rational number. Now check the denominators. Denominators are not same. Here it is 3, here it is 5. Again we will go for cross multiply. So 5 into 5 upon down 3 into 5 plus 14 into 3 upon down again. One time you have taken 3 into 5, you will take 5 into 3. So 5 5 is 25 upon 3 5 is 15 plus 14 3 is 42, 5 3 is 15. Now check the denominators have become same. They are same, write it one time. Add the above numbers 25 plus 42. So 25 plus 42 will become 5 into 7, 4 into 67 upon 15. This will not get reduced in any table, so keep the number as it is. So our answer is 67 upon 15 of second sum. Now let's move to the third one. Third sum is 11 upon 17 plus 13 upon 19. This is your third sum. Again see the denominators are not same. So I have to make the denominator same by doing cross multiplication. So 11 into 19 upon down 17 into 19 plus 13 into 17 upon 19 into 17. Just multiply quickly. 11 into 19. 19 1 is 19, 19 1 is 19 and 1 20, 209. After multiplying I got 209. Now down 17 multiplied by 19. 9 7 is 63, 9 1 is 9, 9 and 6 15, 1 cross, 1 7 is 7, 1 1 is 1 3, 5 and 7 12, 323. Down we got 323 plus 13 into 17. 7 3 is 21, 7 1 is 7 and 2, 9, 1 3 is 3, 1 1 is 1, 1, 12, 10, 11, 12, 221. Okay, 221. On 19 into 17 we already done. It is 323 only. Now see the denominator has become same. Write it one time. Add the upper numbers 209 plus 221. We add this. We will get 10, 3, 430. We will get it 430 upon 323. Will not get reduced any further in any table, so final answer will be this only, 430 upon 323. Now fourth sum. Fourth sum is 2 3 by 11 plus 1 3 upon 77. Again the number is in mixed form, so convert them in first in rational form, P by Q form. So how to do you know now. 11 multiplied by 2 plus this 3 numerator, then this denominator 11 as it is, plus 77 into 1 plus this 3 upon this 77. Now 11 2s are 22 plus 3 upon 11 plus 77 1s is 77 plus 3 upon 77. So 22 plus 3 is 25 upon 11 plus 77 plus 3 78 79 80, 80 upon 77. Now check the denominators. Denominators are not same, but in 11's table 77 comes, so I will make this fraction only convert. So 25 upon 11, 11's table 77 comes 7 times. So if I am multiplying down by 77 denominator, numerator also have to multiply by 7. This fraction I will keep as it is. So 25 7s is 7 5s are 35, 14 and 3 17. 175 upon 11 7s is 77 plus 80 upon 77. Now check the denominator has become same, 77. Write it one time. Add the above numbers 175 plus 80. We add it, we'll get it 5 7 and 8 15, 255 upon 77. It will not get reduced in any other table, so we'll keep this fraction as it is. This is our final answer, 255 upon 77. Now let's move to our question number 2. Question number 2 is carry out the following subtractions. Carry out the following subtractions of rational numbers involving rational numbers. So see, your first one is 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. This is our first sum. Now instead of plus, here it is minus, rest everything is same. Check the denominators. Denominators are not same, so we have to make them same by doing cross multiply. 7 into 7 upon 11 into 7 minus 3 into 11 upon 7 into 11. So 7 7 is 49 upon 11 7 is 77 minus 11 3 is 33, 11 7 is 77. Check the denominators have become same, write them one time. Subtract the above numbers. 49 minus 33. You will get 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1 and here 77. They will not go in any other table. So you have to keep the fraction as it is. So our final answer is 16 upon 77. Let's move to the second sum. 13 upon 36 minus 2 upon 40. Now here children, 13 stable, 36 not comes, but 2 stable we can reduce this 40, so at least the number will get reduced. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 0. So our fraction has reduced little bit, so 1 upon 20. Now again, but the denominators are not same. We can make them same by doing cross multiplication. So 13 into 20 upon 36 into 20 minus 1 into 36 upon 20 into 36. So let's multiply 20 into 13. If you do 13 zeros are 0, 13 twos is 26, 260 minus 36 into 20. 0 6 are 0, 0 3 are 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 and 1 7. 720 minus 36 1 is 36 and 20 into 36 will be same only 720. Now check the denominator has become same, write it one times. Subtract the above numbers. 260 minus 36, it will be 10, 10 minus 6 is 4, here 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, 224. So 224 upon 720. Now you have to reduce this because in units place it is 0 and here units place it is 4. It will get reduced by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 1 2 6 are 12 and 0. Again units place it is here 2 and 0, it will get reduced by 2, 2 fives are 10, 1 2 6 are 12, 2 ones are 2 and 2 eights are 16 and 0. Again it will get reduced because here it is 6 and here it is 0. 2 twos are 4, 1 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and 0. Again it will get reduced. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 2 fours are 8, 1 2 fives are 10. Now it will not get reduced, so our final answer is 14 upon 45. So this is the way, if it is getting reduced in the same table you have to reduce it. So final answer is 14 upon 45. Third sum. 1 2 upon 3 minus 3 5 upon 6. Again it is in improper fraction, so make it proper fraction. Multiplying this 3 by 1 plus this 2 upon this 3 minus 6 into 3 plus this 5 upon 6. So 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 upon 3 minus 6 threes is 18 plus 5 upon 6. 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 3 minus 18 plus 5, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 upon 6. Now check here, denominators are not same, but in 3 stable 6 comes. Only this fraction I will change. 5 upon 3, 3 stable 6 comes by 2 times. So above also I have to multiply by 2. This fraction I will keep as it is. So 5 2s is 10, 3 2s is 6, 23 upon 6. Now denominator has become same, so I will write them one time. Subtract the above numbers. 10 can't be subtracted from 23, so 23 minus 10 will give you 13 and sign of greater number. 23 is greater is 13, 13 minus 6. It will not get reduced, so final answer is minus 13 upon 6. Fourth sum. 4 1 upon 2 minus 3 1 upon 3. Again reduce this, make it in proper form. 2 into 4 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 1 upon 3. 2 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 upon 2, minus 3 3 is 9 plus 1 upon 3. 8 plus 1 is 9 upon 2, minus 9 plus 1 is 10 upon 3. Do the cross multiply. 9 into 3 minus 2 upon 2 into 3 minus 10 into 2 upon 3 into 2. So 9 3 is 27 upon 2 3 is 6, minus 10 2 is 20 upon 3 2 is 6. Denominator has become same. Write it one times. 27 minus 20 will give you 7 upon 6. So final answer we got 7 upon 6. So we are done with question number 2. Now question number 3 is multiplication. Multiply the following rational numbers. Multiply the following rational numbers. In question number 1 we have seen addition. Question number 2 we have seen subtraction. Now we will see multiply. First one is 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. Here you don't have to do the cross multiply. In cross, if they are coming in each other's table, we can cancel it. Here not coming in 3 table, 5 doesn't come. Even in 2 table, 11 doesn't come. So you can multiply numerator and denominator together. 3 into 2 upon 11 into 5. So 3 2 is 6 upon 11 5 is 55. So your answer is 6 upon 55. Second sum, 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. Now first write them. 12 into 4 upon 5 into 15. Now check in cross whether they are coming in same table. 12 and 15 they are coming in 3 tables, so I can cancel it. 3 4s are and 3 5s are 15. So what I got now, up 4 into 4 and down I got 5 into 5. So 4 4s is 16 upon 4 5 5 is 25. So our answer is 16 upon 25. Third sum, minus 8 upon 9 into 3 upon 4. So write them first, numerator together, minus 8 into 3 upon 9 into 4 denominators. Now check it in cross. 4 table 8 comes and 3 table 9 also comes. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. After striking, what is remaining? Just multiply. Minus 2 into 1 and down denominator 3 into 1. So minus 2, 3 1s is 3. So we got the answer minus 2 upon 3. The last sum, fourth sum, 0 upon 6 multiply by 3 upon 4. 0 upon 6 means this 0 only. 0 into 3 upon 4. Any number we multiply by 0, the answer is 0 only. So final answer is 0. So here we have completed question number 1, 2 and 3 of practice set 22. In the next part we will see question number 4 and 5. Till then practice till here.